Welcome all, Craig here. I just want to make a short video on a program that I've been using. Um, it's a easy commission funnel. We'll call it the ECF. They it's a pretty good funnel. It uses roughly 6 income streams, and you only have to actually promote only one URL. Um, Jeff gives a lot of good videos, like right here, getting started. He walks you through every step. You can play the video, gives you written text here, how to complete it, and then you go ahead and move on to the next step. And then over here you have your affiliate URLs. He does mention in the video to use number 2. You could use either one. You can copy the link here. You can preview it here. This is what it'll look like. It'll go ahead and load on the internet here. This is what it looks like. Then whenever someone, after you promote it, and someone connects on it, they'll click here, and it'll go right to the sign up page. Which it doesn't go to that because I'm logged in. It's something in the cache in the computer. So we'll just back out of this. Then there's a lot of bonus income streams. Gives you all kind of videos on it. These are just different places to promote. This is a good one. I went through this video here. Copy. It's free to join. I think it's 7 days. You get it, and then it costs $39.95 a month. I think it was. You could just Google it, and you could see, what it costs and everything. You could join here. But what it does is it'll write emails for you. It seems like a lot of problems you have, whenever you have your autoresponder, you don't have any emails, to put in there. This thing will write it. You could use AI also. I use another program to write some additional emails. Let's go ahead back to the beginning here where it says get started. You'll go through this first one here. And then in your second one will be your most important step here. You want to go through each one of these steps. Now you don't have to join every one of these programs, but this one would be a very good one to join, because SendShark would be your autoresponder. He also gives you 7 days of email to go ahead and you can just load them right into SendShark after you join. SendShark does cost $25 a month, but you can see through here. He walks you through with his video. Within your back office, you can go back and you can review any one of these videos if you're stuck or whatever. You could also email me. I'll leave a link in the description for the ECF. You can join. There is a lot of good programs within this. So what you want to do is go ahead and join as many as you can, or just this first one and maybe the second one. The last one here, Lead Leaps, is very good. I mean, they give you, as a free member, they'll give you a lot of tools, but you can check that out also. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope this helps out, and we'll be making more videos on the easy commission funnel. As I said, it's one link, which would be your affiliate link, and then once your prospects join each one of these programs, which this would be SendShark, the autoresponder, you earn commissions on them. This one would be another one. And then there's, different, it's just like if you join lead leaps, it'd be the same thing. So, okay, well, nice talking to you, and hope you see you in the next video.